Hello everyone, welcome to the Stand with Maths YouTube channel. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad math channel. So here I chose another Olympiad math problem. Let's read this. The remainder when 5 into power of 2021 is divided by 100 is. They give 5 answers: 75, 50, 25, 5, 10. So I just simplify this question. We can write 5 into 2 is equal to 25. 5 into 3 is equal to 125. We can write 10 power of 2 plus 25. Again 5 power of 4, I can write 5 power of 3 into 5. Again I can simplify like this and I write 6 into 10 power of 2 plus 25. Again 5 power of 5, I can write 6 into 10 power of 2 plus 25 into 5. Again I can simplify 31 into 10 power of 2 plus 25. So I can write simple formula for this one like this: 5 any number 2004 is equal to n times 10 power of 2 plus 25. So we can take the answer like this: the remainder when 5 power of 2021 is divided by 100 is 25, because every number 5 power of any number divided by 10, the remainder divided by 100 is remainder 25. So thank you watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, and stay tuned with more videos on Olympiad maths.